Hello friends, my name is Shubhadeep Das. I was teaching you quadratic equations with one variable from the book Ganit Prakash of class 10 West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. In my previous video, I discussed about some examples that are given before the chapter 1.3, and I did question number 1 and 2 from 1.3. Today we are going to start from question number 3 of 1.3. Let us look at question number 3. It says, if 5 times of a positive whole number is less by 3 than twice of its square, then let us determine the number. Okay, let us write the given information. Therefore, according to the question, 5 times the whole number is less by 3 than twice its square. So if we add plus 3 with this quantity, we are getting 2x square. This is what our question says. Okay, a whole number, when it is multiplied by 5 and added 3, it gives us twice the square of that whole number. Now we are going to solve it for x. If we take these numbers to the right side, Therefore, either x minus 3 equal to 0, that is x equal to 3, or two x plus 1 equal to 0, that is x equal to minus half. But a whole number cannot be negative, so we can only take x equal to 3. Therefore, this is the value of x. So the number is 3. Now let us proceed to question number 4. Question number 4 says the distance between two places is 200 km. The time taken by a motor car for going from one place to another is less by 2 hours than the time taken by a jeep car. Okay, if the speed of the motor car is 5 km per hour more than the speed of the jeep car, then by calculating let us write the speed of the motor car. Okay. First write the distance. Distance equal to 200 km. Time taken by motor car is 2 hours less than the time taken by jeep car. Time taken by motor car is 2 hours less than the time taken by jeep car. Let the speed of the motor car is x km per hour. Therefore, the speed of the jeep car is x minus 5 km per hour, because we know it is given in our question that the difference between two speeds is 5 km per hour. Okay, motor car is faster, that is why it is x km per hour, and the jeep car is slower, that is why it is x minus 5 km per hour. Therefore, according to the question, time taken by jeep car is more because the speed of it is lesser than the motor car. That is why jeep car takes more time. So time taken by jeep car 200 distance by speed. This is the time taken by jeep car. And time taken by motor car, this is 200 by x. This is the time taken by motor car. Okay, and the difference between these two times is 2 hours. So this is our given question. Okay, time taken by jeep car and time taken by motor car, and they are different. The difference in time is 2 hours. Or or if we transfer this to the right side, we get 2x square minus 10x. Now if we divide both sides of the equation by 2, we get therefore either or so this should be our correct answer, as speed cannot be negative. That is why we can say the speed of motor car is 25 km per hour. This is our answer. Now let us proceed to our next question. The area of Amita's rectangular land is 2000 square meter, and perimeter of it is 180 meter. Area 2000, perimeter 180. By calculating, let us write the length and breadth of Anita's land. Area equal to 2000 square meter, and perimeter equal to 180 meter. Therefore, we can write area of a rectangle we know is length into breadth, and the perimeter is 180. So let us first write area, length into breadth equal to 2000. Perimeter means 2 into length plus breadth. This is 180. Now if we send 2 to the right side, or length equal to 90 minus b. Now if we put this value of L to this equation, okay, we are putting the value of L to this equation. Okay, we are putting this value in place of L. So we get or now if we take these quantities to the right side, we get Therefore, either b minus 50 equal to 0, so b equal to 50, or b minus 40 equal to 0, so b equal to 40. So if we take b equal to 50, L becomes 40, and if we take b equal to 40, length becomes 50. As we know, the sum of length and breadth is 90, that is why. If b is 50, L is 40. If b is 40, L should be 50. But we know breadth is generally shorter than length, so this should be our answer. Length 50 and breadth 40 meter. Now let us proceed to our next question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 says the tens digit of a two-digit number two-digit number, not digital number, okay, two-digit number is less by 3 than the units digit. Okay, tens digit is less by 3 than the units digit. Okay, if the product of the two digits is subtracted from the number, the result is 15. Let us write the unit digit of the number by calculation. The number, okay, let the digit in units place be x. Therefore, the digit in tens place let the digit in the digit in tens place be x minus 3, because we know it is given in our question that the digit in tens place is less by 3 than the units than the digit in units place. So these are two digits. Therefore, the place value of the number equal to x minus 3 is in tens place, that is why it is multiplied by 10, and x is in units place, that is why it is multiplied by 1. So this is the place value of that number. Now the question says, if we subtract the product of the two digits from the number, if we subtract the product of two digits from the number, we get 15. Okay, so this is our equation. according to our question. Now if we simplify it, we get if we take 15 to the left side, now if we multiply both sides of the equation by -1, we get therefore the number is if we take x equal to 9, it becomes and if we take x equal to 5, it becomes 25. Therefore these are the numbers. Now friends, let us proceed to our next question, that is question number 7. Now let us look at question number 7. It says there are two pipes in a water reservoir of our school. Two pipes together take 11 whole 1/9 minutes to fill the reservoir. If the two pipes are opened separately, then one pipe would take 5 minutes more time than that of the other pipe. Let us write by calculating the time taken to fill the reservoir separately by each of the pipes. Let us assume first pipe takes x minutes to fill it. Sorry friends, my camera stopped working somehow. That is why question number 7 and 8 is not recorded while I was solving these questions. I am sorry for it. Now these questions are already solved. Now I am going to explain it to you. Question number 7. We assumed the first pipe takes x minute to fill the reservoir separately when it works alone, and the second pipe takes x plus 5 minutes. That means 5 minutes more than the first pipe to fill it completely when it works alone, and it is given that when they work together they take 11 whole 1 by 9. That means 100 by 9 minutes to fill the reservoir completely. Now let the total work be 1 unit. Okay, total work means filling the whole reservoir. This work is considered 1 unit. So the first pipe, when it works alone, in x minutes it fills 1 unit. Okay, first pipe takes x minute to complete the reservoir, to fill the reservoir. So in 1 minute it will fill 1 by x unit of the reservoir, 1 by x part of the reservoir. Okay, so this is the efficiency of the first pipe. Efficiency means work done in unit time. Okay, the amount of work done in unit time of first pipe, and similarly we get the efficiency of the second pipe. When these two pipes work together, in 1 minute they complete. Okay, these two efficiencies get added because they are working together, they are both working. Okay, that is why in 1 minute this plus this amount of work will be done. So in 100 by 9 minutes they will complete this much of work. Okay, so when pipe 1 and 2 works together, they are both working, then in 1 minute they complete this much work. In 100 by 9 minutes they will complete this much of work. This is clearly understood. Now we know in 100 by 9 minutes they complete the full reservoir. That means 1 unit of work is completed. Okay, so this much work should be equal to the total work. That means 1. Now if you simplify it, you will get this equation, and by breaking the middle term, by breaking the middle term, we get two factors, and after that we are getting two values of x. So we are taking x equal to 20. That means first pipe takes 20 minutes to fill the reservoir alone, and the second pipe takes 25 minutes to fill the reservoir alone. Question number 8 says, there are two people, Piyush and Porna. When they work together, they complete the whole work in 4 days. But when they work alone, Porna takes 6 more days than Piyush. Okay, that means if Piyush takes 6 days, x days to complete the work, Porna would take x plus 6 days. So we assumed the total work as 1 unit. They together take 4 days to complete 1 unit. So in 1 day they will complete 1/4 unit. Now let us assume the time taken by Piyush alone to complete the whole work be x days. So in x days he completes 1 unit of work. So in 1 day he will complete 1 by x unit of work. So this is the efficiency of Piyush. Similarly, we assume the time taken by Porna alone to complete the whole work be x plus 6 days. So in x plus 6 days she completes 1 unit of work. So in 1 day she completes 1 by x plus 6 unit of work. This is the efficiency of Porna. When they work together, in 1 day they complete these two quantities get added. Okay, this is Piyush, this is the work of Piyush, and this is the work of Porna in 1 day. So these two quantities get added. So when they work together, this much work is done in 1 day. But when we started the question, here we have written in 1 day they complete 1/4 of the work. So these two quantities are equal. Now if we solve this equation, we will get this equation, and after that by using middle term factorization we get two factors. So from this we are getting two values of x, 6 and -4. So we cannot take -4, we can take x equal to +6. So the time taken by Piyush to complete the whole work alone is 6 days. Okay, and to complete the whole work by Porna alone should be 12 days. So these are our two answers. I hope it is clear to you, friends. If you have any problem, please let me know that in the comment, and please like and subscribe to my video, subscribe to my channel. We shall come with another video and we shall be solving other questions of this chapter. Thank you.